Turner's given the ball away again with his feet. And here's Rashford, and that is cruel in the Fernandes and Rashford.
Finding Garnancho. Anthony lurking inside the penalty.
Bruno Fernandes with the disguised pass. Garnancho. Maguire. McTominay. Garnancho. Good ball, surely.
Below with the ball in the overhead. Oh, with a chance. And Garnancho with a goal. Losing.
Play on, says the referee. Boy was eased under the ball. Garnancho. Manchester United have got men over if he can get his head up. Still Garnancho.
Garnancho to run him through. Garnancho onto his left. Garnancho, here he goes. Garnancho, brilliant! It deflects down to Garnancho. Garnancho!
Doesn't give them an early boost. Saved by United could be in again here. Sanchez looking for the angle to have a dip. Garnancho. And Garnancho is in here. Alejandro Garnancho. James break it on instead.